Did you know you could be making money while you sleep? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, thanks to AI tools, it's not only possible, but it's also easier than you think. In fact, with the right systems in place, you can automate entire parts of your online business, saving time and boosting profits without being tied to your desk. Imagine a world where your business runs smoothly even while you're away from your computer, and everything just happens on its own. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 easiest online services you can automate using AI tools so you can scale your business with minimal effort and maximum results. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just getting started, these AI-driven automation tools can help you work smarter, not harder. So let's dive in. 1. Customer support automation. If you've ever run an online business, you know that customer support can take up a lot of your time. But what if you could automate the whole process? That's right, AI-powered chatbots and customer service tools can handle most of your customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses to frequently asked questions, troubleshooting issues, and even guiding customers through purchasing decisions. Services like Intercom, Zendesk, and Freshdesk integrate AI to provide automatic responses based on the type of query, ensuring that customers always get the information they need, no human intervention required. These tools also allow you to scale your customer service without increasing staff, as they can handle an influx of customer requests during peak times without breaking a sweat. Plus, these AI systems can even learn from each interaction, improving their responses over time and offering more accurate assistance. As your business grows, these automated services scale with you, handling more customers without requiring extra staff or added stress. These systems not only save you time, but also enhance the overall customer experience by ensuring that your customers never have to wait long for a response. With AI doing the heavy lifting, you can focus more on growing your business and providing personalized service where it truly matters. 2. Social media management. Social media can be a huge time drain, especially when you're juggling multiple accounts or platforms. But with AI tools, you can automate your entire social media strategy. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social allow you to schedule posts, track engagement, and even respond to comments using AI. You can set up the automation to post at optimal times, even when you're not online. By setting up a content calendar and letting AI tools post on your behalf, you can maintain a consistent presence across all your social media platforms without spending hours each day manually posting. These tools can even analyze your audience's behavior and adjust your posts to reach the most people at the best times, boosting your engagement automatically. You can also integrate AI-generated reports that provide you with detailed insights into how each post is performing, helping you fine-tune your social media strategy. Additionally, AI can help you generate captions, hashtags, and even suggest trending topics based on what's popular at the moment. For instance, AI can track trends in your niche and suggest relevant hashtags, topics, and content ideas to keep your social media posts fresh and engaging. These tools take the guesswork out of social media management so you can focus on other critical aspects of your business, such as content creation and customer engagement. 3. Email marketing automation. Do you send out newsletters or marketing emails regularly? If so, email marketing automation is a game changer. AI tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and ActiveCampaign allow you to set up automated email sequences that run without you lifting a finger. For example, when someone subscribes to your newsletter or makes a purchase, AI can trigger a personalized email to greet them, offer discounts, or even suggest related products. These automated email flows can continue for weeks or months, sending content that is tailored to your customers' actions and interests. Additionally, AI can optimize the time and frequency of sending emails to maximize engagement and minimize the chances of your emails getting ignored or marked as spam. AI can also analyze user behavior and adjust the content of your emails in real time. If a customer is likely to engage with a specific type of content, AI will ensure that those emails reach them. This creates a highly personalized experience, which can significantly increase conversion rates and customer loyalty. With automation, you no longer have to manually craft emails or worry about missed opportunities, as AI tools take care of it all, leaving you with more time to focus on strategy and business growth. 4. Content creation automation. Creating content regularly is essential for growing an online presence, but it doesn't have to take up all your time. With AI content creation tools, you can automate much of your writing process. AI tools like Jasper, ChatGPT, and Copy.ai can generate blog posts, social media content, product descriptions, and even scripts for videos, all tailored to your brand's voice and target audience. These tools work by analyzing existing content on the web and using natural language processing to create high-quality articles and copy. Whether you need blog posts for your website, social media captions, or product descriptions for an e-commerce site, these tools can create it for you in minutes. As you use these tools more, you can refine your content style and improve the AI's understanding of your brand's tone. Moreover, you can integrate these AI-generated pieces into your content strategy, ensuring that your business consistently provides fresh, relevant content. AI tools can also help optimize content for SEO by suggesting keywords, topics, and writing styles that perform well in search engines. By automating content creation, you free up more time to focus on other strategic areas of your business, knowing that your content needs are always covered. This makes it easier to scale your content production without sacrificing quality or creativity. 5. Online scheduling and appointment management. If you're in a service-based business, whether it's coaching, consulting, or freelance work, you probably spend a lot of time scheduling appointments. Instead of manually setting times and sending reminders, AI-powered scheduling tools like Calendly, Acuity Scheduling, and Book Like a Boss can automate this entire process. With these tools, clients can book appointments directly through your calendar based on your availability. They can also reschedule, cancel, and receive automated reminders, all without you lifting a finger. You can even set up custom workflows so your clients are sent personalized reminders, forms, or pre-session questionnaires before their appointment, streamlining the whole process. These tools also integrate with your other platforms, ensuring that everything runs smoothly without you needing to make any changes manually. AI can also handle payments at the time of booking, ensuring you don't have to chase down clients for payment. These tools work seamlessly with other platforms like Zoom or Google Meet, allowing you to automate the entire booking process from start to finish. Not only does this save you time, but it also provides a seamless experience for your clients, improving their satisfaction and reducing no-shows. Plus, you can set recurring appointments for regular clients, and AI will handle the scheduling automatically. So there you have it, 5 easy online services you can automate using AI tools to help save time and boost efficiency in your business. Whether it's customer support, social media management, email marketing, content creation, or online scheduling, AI can take your business to the next level by handling repetitive tasks automatically. The beauty of automation is that it allows you to scale your operations without adding more work to your plate, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends who are looking to streamline their online business, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on how to use AI for growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.